Hello. Are we running?
Yes, keep going.
You can hear me?
Yes, sure.
I've been asked to speak to you this morning about the invention of the production line, and thereby secure your vote by making the production line the best invention to have graced our beloved city of Coventry. Now, before I state the case for the production line, please be sure to make a note on the back of your hand, or in a notebook, or even ask a passing stranger who may be sitting next to you or standing next to you to remind you to vote for the production line. Yes? That way we can secure your vote. Now, many of you watching this broadcast will know somebody who has worked on a production line, particularly in the manufacturing of motor vehicles in the Coventry city centre. It may well have been your grandmother, or possibly your grandfather, an aunt or an uncle, or perhaps maybe even you yourself once worked on a production line. What we can be sure of is that many people did, and some people travelled hundreds of miles to set up home here in Coventry, with the satisfaction of knowing that they would be trained, paid, and that one day they had played a valuable part in the production of motor vehicles. Now, one of the first car manufacturers was a French company, Peugeot, dating back to 1891. And who would have guessed that they would have had plants here in Coventry? But it was an American gentleman, Henry Ford, who invented an improved assembly line and installed the first conveyor belt-based assembly line in his motor car factory in 1913. This method of manufacture reduced production costs for cars by reducing assembly time. In turn, this made motor cars more affordable, so more people could buy them. Mr. Ford's famous Model T motor car was assembled in a little over 1 hour and 30 minutes. And it wasn't too long before other manufacturing companies started having similar ideas. By the 1950s, the United Kingdom was the second largest manufacturer of motor cars in the world, with a significant amount being made here in Coventry. This could not have been achieved without the production line. With such demand, more motor cars were being sold both in the United Kingdom and abroad. So, the production line was a marvellous invention. It kept costs low, production was good, people were working, and it gets my vote. So, put your pedal to the metal and put your pencil on the paper and vote the production line. Good day.